And as a matter of fact, this is the right time, correct time for the marking. So that is why when we heard their objection to the opening of the sealed box, we just contained ourselves with the marking of the sealed box, which they opposed as well. Ako'y nagtataka kung ano kayang nakakatakot dun sa pagmamarka ng sealed box. Silyado nga. Ang pinamamarkahan ng prosecution, because they do not want to open the box, ang pinamamarkahan na lang is yung sealed box. So that we will just be submitting to the impeachment court the issue of whether to open or not the BIR box. But sadly, they opposed the opening of the BIR box. They opposed as well the marking of the sealed BIR box. Nakakalungkot po ito sapagkat doon sa House of Representatives, we decided not to open kahit alam namin karapatan ng taong bayan malaman na kung anong nilalaman nun. We decided not to open because we believe in the power of the impeachment court. Pagdating ho pala namin dito sa impeachment court, mahihirapan pa rin kami sa pagbubukas ng BIR box. So we will be looking forward na sana itong BIR box na ito ay mabuksan na sapagkat karapatan ho ng sambayanang Pilipino na malaman at makita ang nilalaman nito.